Rapid fire answers coming your way. What's today's burning question? Let's find out.
No. Hiccup, the character from How to Train Your Dragon, does not have a sister in the original film series or books. This series, created by Cressida Cowell, centers around Hiccup Horrendous Haddock III and his experiences, but a sister character does not feature in the storyline. Any references to Hiccup having a sister might stem from fan fiction or non-canonical sources, which are not part of the official narrative created by Cowell.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.